Everything on Solana is an account. Your wallet, account. A token, account. A smart contract, also an account. Once you understand this, the entire blockchain clicks into place. Solana stores all state in a giant key value store. Every key is a 32-byte address, and every value is an account. Think of it as one massive database where every entry has the same 5 fields. Here's what those 5 fields are. Lamports, your SOL balance. 1 SOL equals 1 billion lamports. Data, a byte array that holds either program code or program state. Owner, the program that controls this account. Only the owner can modify the data or debit lamports. Executable, a Boolean flag. True means this account is a program. And Rent-exempt, which is deprecated but still part of the struct. Here's the part most tutorials skip. The owner field is the key to Solana's security model. Any program can add lamports to any account, but only the owner program can take lamports out or change the data. This one rule prevents programs from messing with each other's state. Every account must hold a minimum lamport balance called the rent-exempt minimum. This is proportional to the data size. When you close an account, you get the full balance back. It's a deposit, not a fee. Now you know Solana's data model: 5 fields, ownership rules, and rent. Next, we'll cover how programs use these accounts to build on-chain applications.